Hey guys, it is Wednesday, March 18th, and here's what you're going to be doing today. As always, you're going to be doing Dreambox, Lexia, and Read to Self. Today, you're going to be reading a story called Nail Soup. So make sure you go to the correct passage. Nail Stew. Read that passage. Go ahead and do this first page. Remember to only do the second page after you read two stories so that you can compare them. Then you are going to be working on prefixes. So you should have this printable out for you guys. It goes over what a prefix is again. It tells you what the prefixes mean on this page. And so you are going to be putting a prefix on a word and making a new word. These are the prefixes you're going to be using on this page. On this one, you're going to choose the correct prefix to complete each word so that it makes sense. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to create prefix puzzles. So you are going to use the words below to make your own. So like they use this one, untie. So the prefix was un, the root word was tie, and they just made a new word, okay? Same thing on this one. You are not going to be doing this craft activity. It shouldn't be in there. I did include the answer key, though, for when you finish, you could check your work on this one and change anything that you need to. Dreambox Khan Academy for math, you're also going to be doing Working with Time and Go Math Chapter 7, do a writing prompt. Let's look at Working with Time. Okay, so I will post a video of me going through these questions with you later on today and tomorrow. You're going to be working on Working with Time. So today, Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday, you're going to be doing that, okay? We've worked a little bit with time. We know how many hours are on a clock. We know how many minutes are on a clock. We know how to count on a clock. One thing that we haven't really talked about is AM and PM. You know that AM is in the morning and PM is at night, hopefully. So it looks like you're going to be telling which animals get fed in the morning, which get fed in the afternoon, which animals get fed first, which animals get fed last. What's the order the animals get fed from first to last each day? So you're going to put these in order. Which train leaves around lunchtime? Jake will be on the first train that leaves after 8 a.m. Which train will he be on? Which train is the last to leave? Which trains leave in the morning? When it says explain how you know, we're going to be working on that together, and we're going to be using kind of our schedule, our school schedule, to help us with these working with time problems. After you do your writing prompt, you're going to be working with molecules. And the paper is going to look like this. So if you have cereal at home, you could totally use that to help you. But I would just be drawing molecules on here. So this sock is a solid. This is a liquid, and the air in this balloon is going to be a gas. So on each object, you're going to draw what the molecules are going to look like. So think about that website that we use where we heated up and cooled down molecules and what was happening to those molecules. So remember that in a solid, and we use circles to show molecules, they're really close together. They're packed tight, no space in between them. So fill this sock up with molecules. Liquids, they're still close together. They've got a little bit of space in between them. And then we know that gases are all crazy around the place. They're not touching, they're bouncing around, they're moving really fast. So you're just going to be drawing what the molecules look like on each of these. And you're going to describe the molecules. So I'd say that the molecules It's going to take me a really long time to write this. The molecules are tight or close together, whatever you want to say. Don't forget your period at the end, okay? So that's going to be your science lesson. And for social studies, if you have not finished Green River, you still have another day to do that. Let me know if you have any questions about Wednesday's work, and I will talk to you guys soon.